Good afternoon, everyone. As a seasoned woodworking manufacturer with over 60 years of experience in the Indian furniture industry, we have witnessed a remarkable evolution from humble hand tools to sophisticated panel machines. Our deep-rooted connection to the industry has allowed us to have strong partnership with our customer, understanding their unique needs and delivering tailored solutions. Our commitment to providing high quality, cost effective furniture has been fueled by a dedicated R&D team that continually develops new machinery and process based on customer feedback and evolving market trends. This dedication ensures that we remain at the forefront of the industry, offering innovative solutions that meet the ever-changing demand of our customers for customization, sustainability, and efficiency.
Yeah.